Hey guys, how to code here. This is now the second tutorial in how to build a basic Thunkable app. This is the home screen. So now the home screen is really custom to you. There's only 3 buttons that you need: profile, log out, and support. And then you can see these are just custom buttons that you can move around. Now to make your buttons look like this, you're going to get a row, drag it out onto the screen, and put the 2 buttons in it, and then go to the row settings and go to height and fit contents. That's all you gotta do. These are just normal buttons, name different things. Shouldn't be too hard. Now let's go to the blocks. The blocks are really easy for this one. Just when profile button clicked, navigate to that screen. For the logout button, you want to navigate it back to the original sign up screen. For the custom ones, that's up to you where you want to navigate it to. And then the support button, you just navigate it to the support screen. And that's it. That's how you build a basic home screen. Eventually I'll build on this, show you upgrades. But other than that, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.